Hey, can you not warrant my base? There's literally no sound coming around here. No.
Sometimes I dream about cheese.
Rip.
Sometimes
Lol.
I dream about cheese. Sometimes I dream about cheese.
Yep. Fucking raiding my empty base.
Hey, Diablo.
What's up?
Diablo and, yo, Diablo and, wait, what the fuck? LeBron. Come on. Come here.
No, Bradley's a fucking dick.
We need to find a private place. Come on, come with me. Me? Thank you. Whoa, he was punching. Hey, Brad.
Where are all the fucking medics?
Brad.
Like a billion of them.
Oh, hey, Brad.
Yo, can you
There we
start
go.
drop kicks and shit?
Why
Oh, nice
you kill
IDM.
You entered my base earlier, so I killed you for it. There's a big old sign out there that says it.
Excuse me, what was the reason?
You entered my base earlier, just a minute ago. So I put a cap in your skull for it.
Why did you fucking kill me?
You ran into my base earlier, just a minute ago.
Dude, you left it way too long. It's IDM.
It's not RDM. I've been hunting you down.